So we are in Howardville putting, getting practicing. Little update. I cannot putt as good as I thought I could on a weenie day. 22, 23 feet away from the basket. So since UDIS has where you can practice your putting skills, and it goes from 0 to 1, I only have 6 putters. I actually have more than 6 putters, but so far, sorry, part 2, because the alarm clock interrupted our video. So close up to the basket at 10 to 11, 12 feet away from the basket, I made all my putts. My left putts are out putts, me putting between my legs. I forgot what kind of putt it's called because my mind's somewhere else right now. Anyway, and then I'm just moving back farther as we go. So yeah, we're going to putt 30, 33 foot away from the basket. I got a total of 4 putters there, and I've got these in my hand also. So we're going to see. The wind is windy. We're under a wind visor until 6 something tonight, I think. Not sure what time it ends, but yeah. So hope you enjoy my video. If you hadn't already subscribed, go and subscribe. I think it's gonna be somewhere down here. If I can find how to edit all this real good. If not, you'll find it. Then I am gonna do a bag, everything that's in my bag when I go to tournaments. And then I do have a couple discs that I've had, but they're brand new, that I really thought about giving away to someone. So yeah, but I'll update you on that part. So I hope you enjoy this. We didn't make no putts on that one, but they're laying all around the basket. I'm more of a lefty putter than I am a righty putter. I figured since I got down to 3 discs, I would try to putt with my right. They've got closer to the basket. Now the wind is blowing. Let's see, that's west, southwest, southeast, something like that, because the wind keeps on changing directions. Yeah, definitely need to get out more and practice in the wind, because this going to affect me no matter whatever type of tournament I decide to play. Because I know sometimes they hold tournaments during the wind. And yeah, it's going to be windy this weekend for Billy's birthday splash party that's coming up, since he's having a little get-together tournament for his birthday. And it's windy like this for Saturday. No, Sunday. Sunday's his tournament, sorry. I'm going to try my best to put it close as I can, or get it up under the basket if I have to take a par 4 or a 3 or whatever. So yeah. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you hadn't subscribe. I would love to have y'all, comment below if you want to give me some pointers. I'm all up for pointers. And
I'm not sure I understand.